Hello, viewers. Welcome to a delightful project that combines the beauty of fresh flowers with the sentimental value of photographs. Today, we will guide you through the process of framing flowers to create a captivating piece of art that preserves your cherished memory. First, gather your materials. You will need the fresh flowers, photo frames, a cutting board, scissors, a heavy book, or a flower press, adhesive putty, or a clear tapes, and your favorite photographs. Select the flowers you select the flowers you want to use. Consider colors, shapes, and sizes that complement your photographs and evoke the desired mood. To preserve the flowers, gently press them between the pages of a heavy book or a flower press. Leave them undistributed for a week or until they are completely dry and flat. While your flowers are drying, dismayable. Now arrange your dried flowers on the glass in a way that complements your chosen photographs. Experiment with different layouts until they find the one that speaks to you. Gently secure the flowers in place using adhesive putty and clear tapes. Make sure finally find the perfect spot to display your floral photo frames, whether it's on a wall or a table pot. These creations will add a touch of natural beauty and sentiment to your space. Feel free to incorporating flowers into your photo frames is not just a craft, it's a beautifully way to merge memories with nature's artistry. Every glance at these framed moments will remind you of the beauty of the past and blooming possibilities of the future. Transform your space with the enhancing beauty of floral photo frames. This type project incorporates the timeless allure of precious flower in frames, creating captivating botanical art that beautifully marries nature and